Welcome back to my channel. It is Miss Virgo Creativity, and you know what? This will be a quick when your time is short and you just want to see what you can do with a short period of time. We're just going to count and place and get some steps in, okay? So that's what we're doing right now. Make sure that you always get a medical clearance before you begin any type of physical fitness. You like and see what I'm doing right here on my channel, fashion, fitness, lifestyle, and beauty. Of course, I want you to give me a thumbs up, okay? And hit subscribe. So what I'm going to do, I end up purchasing some light dumbbells, okay? These are only 2 pounds each, so that's 4 pounds. So what I'm going to do is step back and I'm going to walk in place, okay? Stay tuned. All right, I have my dumbbells here, so I'm just going to begin walking in place, right? And I'm going to use these. So I'm just going to count. I want to do 500, okay? So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 25, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, so you can start off slow or you can start off fast, okay? I want to start off a little bit faster just to get my heart rate up. I stopped at 60. Now you can slow it down, and whatever is most comfortable for you, then that's what you do, okay? But as for me, I'm just gonna get going because I've already warmed myself up moving back and forth, okay? So because maybe I got thrown off. 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, there you go. Let's do 100 more. Okay, come on. All right, 100 more. Right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna try to go faster. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 69, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 98, 99, 100. That's 400. Can I do 100 more? All right. And then I've gotten in 500 steps for the day. You can do this, okay, with such a short period of time to try to get a little physical fitness in, okay? So I'm going to do 100 more. This time I'm going to try to get my knees up a little bit higher, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 67, 69, 70, 70, keep going, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, then I'm just going to stretch. See, it can be done. I'm going to put my weights back, control my breathing, and that was 500 steps. All right. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free and you're doing the things that you love to do. I will make sure that I leave my playlist up in the cards or as well as down in the description box. Give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Peace.